Apple could be preparing one of its most exciting MacBook Pro upgrades yet, and the 2026 generation could bring changes that go far beyond a simple processor update. The rumored MacBook Pro 2026 is expected to feature Apple's next-generation M6 chip, which could deliver faster performance, better power efficiency, and stronger AI capabilities. For professionals, creators, and everyday users, this could mean smoother multitasking, faster video editing, quicker rendering, and a much more responsive experience. There are also reports suggesting that Apple could move toward a more advanced chip manufacturing process, allowing the company to increase performance while keeping power consumption under control. But the processor may only be the beginning. Apple is also expected to continue refining the MacBook Pro design, with a slimmer and more modern appearance potentially coming to future models. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the display. Apple is reportedly working toward OLED technology for future MacBook Pro models, which could deliver deeper blacks, stronger contrast, richer colors, and a much more immersive viewing experience. For photographers, video editors, designers, and content creators, this could make the display one of the biggest reasons to consider an upgrade. And then there is the touchscreen possibility. After years of keeping touchscreens away from the MacBook, Apple is rumored to be developing a MacBook Pro that could finally allow users to interact directly with the display. The keyboard and trackpad would still remain, giving users another way to control their Mac. The display design itself could also change significantly. Future models are rumored to feature slimmer bezels and potentially a smaller camera cutout instead of the current notch. Apple could even introduce a more interactive camera area inspired by the dynamic island concept. If that happens, the MacBook Pro could have a cleaner and more modern look while giving users more usable screen space. AI is another area where Apple could make a major push. The M6 generation could provide more powerful on-device AI processing, allowing features such as writing assistance, image generation, intelligent organization, productivity tools, and creative workflows to become more deeply integrated into the Mac experience. Imagine editing a video while using AI to remove objects, generate content, organize clips, and assist with your workflow without constantly switching between different applications. For creative professionals, the combination of stronger hardware, better AI, and an improved display could make the MacBook Pro an even more powerful workstation. Video editing could become faster, high-resolution content could be easier to manage, and demanding creative applications could run more smoothly. The display could also make professional photography and graphic design more enjoyable, especially if Apple eventually introduces OLED with improved contrast and color accuracy. So, while the outside may still look unmistakably like a MacBook Pro, the technology inside and the way users interact with it could be changing in a big way. Gaming could also become a more important part of the MacBook experience. With stronger graphics performance and improved software optimization, the 2026 MacBook Pro could handle more demanding games while still delivering the performance professionals need. But raw power is not enough. Battery efficiency will be equally important. Apple Silicon has already made battery life one of the MacBook's strongest advantages, and the M6 generation could continue that trend by delivering more performance without dramatically increasing power consumption. Better thermal management could also help the MacBook maintain strong performance during long video exports, 3D rendering sessions, gaming, and other demanding workloads. Connectivity will remain important as well, especially for professionals who use external displays, high-speed storage, cameras, and other accessories. USB-C and Thunderbolt connectivity, along with MagSafe charging, could continue providing the flexibility that professional users expect. On the software side, the combination of new hardware and macOS could make the entire experience smarter and more efficient. AI could become more deeply integrated into everyday tasks, while a potential touchscreen could give users another way to interact with applications and creative tools. The premium MacBook identity is still expected to remain, with an aluminum body, precision construction, large trackpad, comfortable keyboard, and a clean professional design. For users who want a smaller professional machine, the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M6 chip is currently one of the models expected to arrive in late 2026. Meanwhile, the larger 16-inch MacBook Pro would continue to offer a bigger workspace for professional editing, design, coding, music production, and other demanding tasks. However, there is an important detail to remember. Not every rumored feature is expected to arrive in the same model or at exactly the same time. The M6 update and the more ambitious OLED touchscreen redesign may follow different schedules. Some reports point toward the larger redesign arriving later, potentially in late 2026 or even 2027. So, what could the MacBook Pro 2026 ultimately bring? We could be looking at a new M6 generation, improved efficiency, stronger AI performance, better graphics, a more advanced display, slimmer bezels, and eventually a completely redesigned MacBook Pro with OLED and touchscreen technology. But Apple has not officially confirmed all of these details yet, so these features should be treated as rumors and expectations rather than final specifications. Still, if Apple delivers even a portion of these upgrades, the 2026 MacBook Pro could become one of the most important MacBook releases in years. It could offer more power for professionals, a better experience for creators, smarter AI features, and a more modern design for everyday users. And that leaves us with one big question. Will the MacBook Pro 2026 simply be another yearly upgrade? Or could Apple finally give us the MacBook redesign that so many users have been waiting for?